How to use a laser pointer tool in Hytale. So laser pointer is one of the many creative tools from the creative mode, and if you want to use it you need to be obviously in creative mode. So turn on your creative mode and here is the section with creative tools and the laser pointer is here, so grab it and move it to your inventory. And how you can use it: if I for example don't hold any creative tools and I want to for example remove this block or cut this tree from this distance, I cannot just do that. If you grab the laser pointer you just can click and you're gonna remove that tree from this distance. You need to left click obviously, and if you right click it's gonna show you the laser distance where you are pointing. You can also change the laser color here and change the duration. So with this tool you can for example cut the entire forest just from one place. As you can see, I'm gonna click and cut the whole tree from this one point. So it's a very useful feature. Do you have any idea how this tool can be used? Leave a comment in the comment section. Consider subscribing for another Hytale tips. See you next time.